Hi all. So welcome to my channel again. So there is a urgent requirement for the FICO people, and it is for simple finance specifically. So the people, the candidates who are having experience in the finance module or the COPA module. Okay, so they can apply for this company. The position is for Navisite India. The company name is Navisite, or the client name is Navisite India. So it is a world global leader in cloud delivery solution and ERP solution. Okay, and they are paying a good amount of money as well to the SAP Simple Finance. This position is not for a senior candidate. This position is for intermediate who is having 3 to 7 years of experience. Those people can apply this uh, in this company. Okay, so the skills and the experience the company is looking is that you should have at least one simple finance greenfield implementation project, or at least one support project you have worked with a strong knowledge of the GL mapping and GL accounting, how to configure those things, right? So the following areas they are looking for. So asset accounting, they are focusing on from the COPA end. If you see, it is checking all the more the experience you have in the COPA module as well, it will add an advantage, whether it is account based or cost based COPA. Okay. So the integration between the FI and CO is very important. If you know integration between the FI and the CO, so they are different. They are looking for someone who can do the finance as well as COPA thing parallelly. So anyone who is working in the FI module or the CO modules and have exposure to these sub modules of the finance or the COPA can apply for this. So I have listed down all those modules here. So it's master data, account receivables, and all these modules. If you have already worked in any of these, you can apply for this position. Okay. The company is very good. As I mentioned, the experience they are looking is 3+ only. So you can apply for if you have just 3 or 3.5 years of experience. Okay, the working location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune, but they are preferring right now for Pune. The vacancy has already filled for Bangalore, I think, for Chennai and Bangalore. But yeah, Hyderabad, I think it is still open. But you have to check with HR. Once I will suggest you just apply and send your resume with the below details to the below contact which I mentioned. It is Sanchin Patil, and so you can just check the vacancy and the location once your profile is selected. Okay, so this is the please prepare your resume, a better resume, as well as the cover letter. If you attach a cover letter, it will definitely going to add an advantage. Again, many candidates just send the resume. Okay, just add some cover letter which will tell you the is a one pager resume, we can say. So in one page you can elaborate your all your experience and the key points. Okay, and send this to this contact. You can also apply from the company side directly. I will show you. You can send this you send your resume to my email address as well. This is my channel name, and this is my email address. Please subscribe my channel if you are liking my videos, so that you can get updated with all the jobs vacancies notifications that I will be posting. And you sent your resume, I will be reviewing it, and the candidates whose profile seems to be fit for this company, I will directly share the HR number to you all. Okay, over the email, and you can directly call with the HR and see and arrange an interview. Okay, so that is also feasible. Directly from the company site, you can apply it from here. You have to go into the Google and you have to put into the career navisite.com. Okay, so Navisite is the company name. You can read about the company profile and the company things from this site. You have to click on the career options. Okay, click on the career options. This screen will be open. You have to filter a job list with SAP and Simple Finance. You will see a tab here with showing consultant. They need a consultant for SAP Simple Finance. Okay, location is Pune right now, but location was also available for other Hyderabad and Bangalore. You have to check with the HR. Okay, you can click here and you can apply from this company web portal itself. Okay. So I hope you have you are liking my videos. Those who are new and for the first time they are having this watching my videos, please subscribe my channel so that you can be getting my all the notifications about all the jobs and coming jobs about every, and you can build a good career in SAP field. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.